So on this video, we are going to look at how to convert a lead within SugarCRM, Sugar Professional and Sugar Enterprise. Okay, so we go to a lead. What we'll do is we'll find an unconverted lead here. So we can see, we'll use this one here, Nancy Burton, assigned. So with the assigned status here in Sugar, it basically means that there's been some activity and now we're ready to convert. So obviously you've got all of your history here. So in order to convert it, if you click the actions button here, you'll see a convert. So depending on which version of Sugar you're using, you'll either see opportunity and revenue line items here, but as you can see, they are optional. So this is the standard process we take. So what it's saying here is we're going to create a contact. And obviously all of the information that we had from the lead record is pulled across. You do not have to input this again. However, there might be some information that's missing and you may wish to go ahead and put that in now, of which you can. So if you want to add a tag to this one, for example, you can go ahead, add a tag, change the department or anything along those lines. Once you're happy with that information, you would click Create Contact. This one's done it automatically for us. In this case, it's actually found that the company name on the lead for Nancy is already in Sugar as an account. So what it's doing now is it's saying, do you want to convert this lead to an existing account or do you want to create a new account? So if we want to take a quick look at what account this is, then we can click the preview button and we can see all of the information on the existing account record. However, let's pretend that Nancy does not belong to this account. It's just that the company names are similar. So I'm going to click Ignore and Create New. And at this point, all of the information that was on the lead record for the account will pull through here. So we've got a similar name here. So I'm actually just going to call this Corp. So we're going to add a different ending. So it creates its own account for Nancy. And as you can see here, there's loads of information I can go ahead and complete during this process. So I'm happy with all of that, happy with all of that. I then select Create Account. Okay, these have a green tick against them, which means all of the information that's required is there and that it's ready to go ahead and create and convert. So we have this point here, new opportunity. This is optional, but I would say if you are converting a lead, chances are that you have an opportunity. So we can go ahead and create the opportunity. So we will just call this training sessions, for example. And then you can go ahead and add any other information you need to here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create that opportunity. At this point now, I can add a revenue line item. So the revenue line item is the service or the product that is making up this particular opportunity. So I'll just call it training session. I'll leave it at qualification. I'm going to put amount in here as £1,000. When do I think this is going to close? We'll put the end of November. And then obviously if you've got a product catalog, you can of course go ahead and search a product catalog and populate this with all product catalog information. You hit Create Revenue Line Item. If you're on the Sugar Professional edition, then you won't see revenue line items. If you are on Enterprise or Sell and you're not seeing revenue line items, that's because you've got them turned off. So we hit Save and Convert. And now what we see at this point is the opportunity, the contact, the account is all being converted. So on the next screen, it will take us back to the lead record. Here we go. So it's taken us back to the lead. But now what we can see is that the status of this lead has automatically changed to converted. Okay, so that tells you a conversion has taken place. And then we can see the account, the opportunity, and the contact. So if I click over to the account now, all of the information that we put on the convert screen has pulled across, and then we can see so has the contact, the opportunity that we created, the revenue line item, and more so the activity we had with the lead has also pulled across. And that's it. That's how you convert an account. Sorry, convert a lead.